Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, I jumped on the bandwagon of mixing all my foundations together. And I don't know who started this. I've just seen a lot of people doing it. They're all giving credit to different people. I do not know who started it, and I do not claim to be the one who started it. It just looked like fun because it's supposed to make like the ultimate foundation. Full coverage, perfect color, because it's mixing all the colors that you already have and then adding in the coverage from each one. You know, unless all of your foundations, you go from spray tan to not spray tan, they should generally be the same color as your skin, so it should be the perfect match. I haven't spray tanned in a while. All the ones I have match my skin. But I'm just curious about how coverage is going to work, if it's going to be cakey on me. That's it. Before we get started, you guys, if you haven't already, make sure you go down and you give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. And turn the notification bell on to be notified whenever I come out with a new video. Make sure you follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Rebecca Christie Makeup, as well as Twitter at Rebecca Makeup 10. Let's just jump into it, you guys. I started filming this and I didn't realize my camera froze and it did not save it. But I have in here the Shape Tape Foundation and one pump of the Naked Skin Foundation. The Naked Skin Foundation is in the shade 1.0 and my Shape Tape is in the shade Fair Neutral, I believe. So that's what I have in here. I have a total of 5 foundations that we are mixing together. Let's mix them. Let's mix them. I have my Wet n Wild Photofocus Foundation. This is in the shade Soft Ivory. Oh, yep. That works. Tap it in there. Tap, tap. Maybe a little bit more. Not much. Ah, there we go. So that's what that looks like. The next one that I have, you can't even read it anymore. It's like completely came off, but this is the Covergirl Simply Ageless Foundation. It's like 3-in-1. This is in the shade 210 Classic Ivory. This is actually one of my favorite foundations. It's just so soft and like the perfect consistency, although it looks a heck of a lot darker. So, where did you go? Found it. And the other foundation I have is the Rimmel London Match Perfection Foundation. This is 24-hour moisture, pore blurring effect, broad spectrum, SPF 20. In the shade 100, Ivory. Worn this one in a while. I feel like I need to start wearing this one a little bit more. It has no pump, so I have my little teaspoon I was going to use to mix everything with, and I'm just scraping some out. I don't know about you guys, but it is like 38 degrees outside, and it's cold, and it's gloomy, and we have a chance of snow today. I'm surprised my hair is even straightened today because I don't plan on going anywhere. I lied. I went to the bank and to get gas earlier, intending to not have to get out of my car, and I went in my pajamas. My hot pink pajama pants with coffee cups all over them. And I had to get out of the bank. Not exactly what I was wanting to do. But I'm home now, and I don't plan on going anywhere, so I'm just having some fun with you guys. Having my coffee, staying warm and dry, as well as I hope that all of you are as well. But anyway, so that is all my foundation mixed together in one. This is a 5 foundations all in one cup. And I guess I'm just going to use the back of this spoon and mix this together. The shade looks like it's getting darker. I don't know what's going on with that. I'm not listening to music, I'm just dancing because I can. I think this is just mixed together. That's where we're gonna get it. So I guess I could just dip my blender into it. I don't think I'm going to. I don't know what brush this is. This is probably a foundation brush. It doesn't say what it is, and it never did. I don't even know what brand it is. There's no brands written on these brushes. But I like doing this because it doesn't like soak up the products. And these brushes are not good for foundation, but they're good for spreading it. And then I just like pounce my blender on top of it to really blend it in so there's no streaks. But I am just gonna do that. Ooh, primer. I almost forgot the primer. I'm using the Aide Beauty Coconut Skin Smooth Priming Moisturizer. This stuff smells so good. It is not my absolute favorite, but I know it works good. But I'm going to save my good primers for these that I'm not experimenting, since I am on a budget and I'm babying my stuff. But I do know this one works well. I have used this and still occasionally go back to it. Now that we have our primer on, let's try this again. We're just going to pick up a little bit. So we're just going to start. Ooh, holy crap, this is thick. Holy crap, you guys. This is thick. But the color doesn't look... I don't know why it looks more yellow than my skin. I hope when I blend it in, it will work. All of these colors match me on their own. I don't know what's going on here. Right. Now that I look like a streaky mess. And the color, I am not 100% sure with yet. Let's just start trying to pounce it into the skin. Ooh, this is cold. I dampen this with cold water. Like I said, it's like 38 degrees outside, so it's like a 38-degree blender right now. Holy crap, it's cold. The coverage is freaking amazing. I have to say I'm quite impressed on the coverage. I think I put too much on my face. Let's just take it to the ears. Let's blend the ears. It doesn't feel as heavy as I was expecting it to be, and it's pretty close to being nearly full coverage, and I think the reason it's not... Oh, I have foundation in my hair. I think the main reason it's not full coverage for me is because all 4 of these, except for one, is only like a medium to light coverage. The Shape Tape foundation can be medium to full, and I use very little of that one just because it is so thick and it can feel very heavy on the skin. I have to say though, the color is pretty good. It looks a lot darker when I mixed it in, but when I said I put too much on my skin, you guys, I pretty much used everything in here. I probably shouldn't have. It's not matte. I mean, I know the Shape Tape foundation is the matte one I put in there, but the rest is not totally that matte. I think that's helping with the kind of giving almost a luminous finish, like parts of my face right here look rather shiny. So it's kind of giving me like a dewy highlighting look. I got another plan. Why mix all of your foundations when you can also mix all of your foundations and all of your concealers? I've got 5 different concealers here. One that I know is the wrong shade, because I picked out the wrong one and I was too lazy to exchange it, and now it's too late and I can't. So we're going to use very little of that one, but we're going to do it anyway. I have the Wet n Wild MegaGlow Makeup Stick Conceal Stick in the shade Follow Your Bisque. I have the travel size Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in the shade Light Neutral, and this is the wrong shade. I have the e.l.f. HD Lifting Concealer in the shade Bare. I have my Shape Tape foundation in the color Hair Neutral. And I have my Nars. This is the Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade 2.5 Crème Brulee. We're going to mix all of these together as well, because we can. Highlight little under the eyes, little down the nose, forehead, and I'm using the Nars a little bit here, a little bit on my Cupid's bow. And I'm going to go in with my conceal stick from Wet n Wild. And I'm going to go a little bit right next to that. Then I'm going in with my e.l.f. A little bit extra. Like I said, I just wanted to have fun with you guys today. This is just meant to be fun. And then I'm using very little of my Naked Skin Concealer because I have the wrong shade. So we're going to like just dot it. Dot it. Dot it. Dot. 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 Last but not least, my Shape Tape. Let's blend. This. One of these shades shades was not right, and it's working. And it doesn't look cakey. This Mixie thing is kind of a godsend, and it added the extra coverage I needed for under my eyes for sure, and I still don't hate it. To put this beautiful masterpiece so it doesn't go anywhere, we're gonna set it, and I'm just using my Maybelline Fit Me setting powder, and this is in the shade Fairly Light, tapping it in where I need it to be. Alright you guys, I'm gonna go finish the rest of my face, and we're gonna come back and really see how it worked. Okay you guys, so this is the finished look, and I'm actually impressed with this foundation. It does not feel heavy, it is not cakey, it is not drying. I mean, it is literally the perfect color, and I'd say a good medium, higher on coverage. 4 out of the 5 foundations were medium to light coverage, and only one of them was really more on the fuller side. So I'm not surprised that it's not completely full coverage, but it is pretty dang close. Is this something I'm going to do every day? No. That is a heck of a lot of work. I'm actually impressed with the concealers. Considering one of them was the wrong color, they actually matched and highlighted the under eye really well. I'm really impressed and blown away by how well it worked. If you really like it that much and you want to do it, make a whole bunch at one time and save it in a container. That way you don't have to make it every day, because if you're in a hurry, 5 minutes and you have to do work, you're not going to have time to mix 5, 10, 20 something foundations together or concealers. It's just unrealistic. I do like the coverage. I do like the way it feels. I don't feel dry at all. I feel actually kind of luminous. But if you like this and there's any other challenges you want me to try, leave them in the comments below and I will do what I can for you guys. But if you also like it, make sure you give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. That way you can be notified whenever I come out with a new video. And make sure you're following me on Facebook and Instagram at Rebecca Christine Makeup, as well as Twitter at Rebecca Makeup 10. And I love you guys so much for watching. It means the world to me, more than any of you guys will ever know. And I love you all so much, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye guys.